The Bharatiya Janata Party-led Delhi government has completed its first 100 days of governance in the national capital. Now, on the occasion, the Delhi government has released a workbook highlighting important public welfare initiatives that have been launched so far under Rekha Gupta's chief ministership. My colleague also spoke to Ashish Sood. Let's listen in to that conversation.
Cabinet Minister in Delhi government, Ashish Sood. Sir, you have big ministries, if we talk about education, power, home and many more. So how satisfied are you with the 100 days of work?
देखिए 100 days we have been able to give treatment to almost 6 people every day for 10 lakh rupees, which they were deprived of. In these 100 days, we have been able to register almost 350 people daily on this new scheme. We are making inroads, penetration to deliver to the last mile.
So in the education department, sir, we used to see the previous government used to boast about its education model.
You used the appropriate word. They used to boast. They used to only boast about it because yesterday we have paid 19 crore rupees of scholarship pending since 22-23, which they have deprived to the students of the poor section of society whose parents' income is less than 3 lakhs of rupees. So if they were so serious about it, then why these children were deprived of their rights? Why a swimming pool is still pending just 400 meters away from Satyendra Jain's house? Why Satyendra Jain lost? Why, if education was a priority, they have made the changes as they claim. Then why this education minister had to change his constituency, and despite changing, he lost? Why the leader of the house, Sir Arvind Kejriwal, lost? Why Satyendra Jain, who according to Arvind Kejriwal should have been awarded Bharat Ratna, lost mercilessly? People voted against him. So they
are
only
standing outside.
They are standing outside just to find their relevance. They want them to be shown in the next frame. Please go and give this Rozgar to the so-called self-proclaimed Berozgar leaders.